Dear students, today we are going to see some exercise problem. Exercise 2.2, question number 2. Calculate the area of the shot put circle whose radius is 2.135 meter. Solution, taking R as radius 2.135 meter. The formula for area of the circle equal to pi r square units. Value of pi is 22 by 7 into 2.135 into 2.135. We divide two numbers 7 and 2.135 by 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 0.305 times 7s are 2.135. Now we multiply 23 into 0.305 into 2.135. We get the answer 14.32 meter square. Third problem. A sprinkler placed at the center of a flower garden sprays water covering circular area. If the area watered is 1386 centimeter square, find its radius and diameter. Given watered area is equal to 1386 centimeter square. Now we consider this area as circle area. Area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. Taking this area is equal to pi r square. Pi r square is equal to 1386. Now substitute pi by 22 by 7 into r square is equal to 1386. R square is equal to 22 by 7 is equal to 7 by 22 into 1386. Now we divide 1386 and 22 by 11 table. We get the answer 63. Now multiply 7 and 63. We get the answer 441. 441 is a perfect square. We divide these numbers into two factors. 21 into 21. R square is equal to 21 square. Powers are equal. Then we equate the base. R equal to 21 centimeter. That is called radius. The question is also find its diameter. So diameter is equal to twice the radius. 2 into 21 equal to 42 centimeter. Radius equal to 21 centimeter and diameter is 42 centimeter. Fourth one, the circumference of a circular park is 352 meter. Find the area of the park. Given circumference is given and find area of the park. Both are in circular shape. So circumference of a park is equal to 352 meter. The formula for finding circumference of a circle is 2 pi r units. Taking 2 pi r is equal to 352. It is also given. Now 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 352. 2 into 22, 44 by 7 into r equal to 352. R equal, the value of r is equal to 7 by 44 into 352. Now we divide 44 and 352 by 11 table. We get the answer 8. 7 into 8. 7 8s are 56. Therefore the value of r is 56 meter. The area of the circle is equal to pi r square units. So we have to find the area of the circle. We need radius. So take r is equal to 56 centimeter and pi equal to 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 56 into 56. 7 ones are 7, 8 sevens are 56. Now multiply 22, 56 and 8. We get the answer 9856 meter square. This is the area of the park. Fifth one, in a grassland, a sheep is tethered by a rope of length 4.9 meter. Find the maximum area that the sheep can grass. Solution, taking the length of the rope considered as the radius of the circle. So r is equal to 4.9 meter. Area of the circle equal to pi r square units. Take pi is equal to 22 by 7 into 4.9 into 4.9. Because r square mean we write r 2 times. Now multiply 7 and 4.9 by 7 table. We get the answer 0.7. And multiply 22, 0.7 and 4.9. We get the answer 75.46 meter square. Therefore maximum area that the sheep can grass is equal to 75.46 meter square. That is the answer. Sixth one, find the length of the rope by which a bull must be tethered in order that it may be able to graze an area of 2464 meters square. Listen the question carefully. The area of the circle is given and we have to find the value of length of the rope. So already you know length of the rope mean radius of the circle. So area of the circle is given, then we have to find the radius of the circle. Solution: area of the circle is equal to pi r square square units. Taking pi r square is equal to 2464. The value of pi is 22/7 into r square equal to 2464. R square is equal to 7/22 into 2464. Now we divide these two numbers by 22 table. We get the answer 112. Now multiply 112 by 7. We get 784. Therefore, the value of r square is equal to 784. But we have to find the value of r. So we split 784 into small factors using division method. 784 divided by 784 by 2 table. It 392 times. And again we divide 392 by 2, we get 196. And divide 196 by 2, we get 98. We divide 98 by 2 table, we get 49. 49 is an odd number. So we divide this by 7 table. 7 sevens are 49. Finally we split into 784 by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 into 7. 2 into 2 means 2 square into 2 square into 7 square. Now see left and right side. The powers are same. In multiplication we equate the base. So value of r is equal to 2 into 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4. 4 7s are 28. R is equal to 28 meter. So length of the rope mean radius of the circle. Therefore the length of the rope is equal to 28 meter. That is the answer. Seventh one. Lalita wants to buy a round carpet of radius 63 meter for her hall. Find the area that will be covered by the carpet. Solution: taking radius r is equal to 63 meter, then we have to find the area of the circle. First we write the formula. Area of the circle equal to pi r square square units. Taking pi is equal to 22/7 into radius is 63. So r square mean 63 into 63. Now we divide 7 and 63 by 7 table. 7 ones are 7, 9 sevens are 63. Now we multiply 22 into 63 into 9. We get the answer 12,474 meters square. That is the area covered by the carpet is equal to 12,474 meters square. That is the answer. Eighth one. Tenmoli wants to level her circular flower garden whose diameter is 49 meter under the rate of rupees 150 per meter square. Find the cost of leveling. Diameter D is given 49 meter. So we find the value of r from the diameter 49 meter. Radius is equal to d by 2, diameter by 2 equal to 49 by 2 meter. Area of the circle equal to pi r square square units. Pi equal to 22/7 into r, 49 by 2 into 49 by 2. Now we divide 22 and 2 by 2 table. 2 ones are 2, 11 2s are 22 and 7 ones are 7, 7 sevens are 49. 11 into 7 into 49 equal to 3,773 divided by 2. We get the answer 1886.50 meters square. Cost of leveling by per meter 1 meter square is equal to 150. This is given. Then cost of leveling 1886.50 meter square is equal to, we multiply this area by 150, we get the answer 2,82,975. This is the answer. This is the cost of leveling for 1886.50 meter square is equal to rupees 2,82,975. Ninth one. The floor of a circular swimming pool whose radius is 7 meter has to be cemented at the rate of rupees 18 per meter square. Find the total cost of cementing the floor. what is given? Radius is given and cost of cementing per meter square is given. Then we have to find the total cost of the cementing the swimming pool floor. First radius is given 7 meter. Then we have to write the formula for area of the circle, pi r square square units. Substitute pi by 22/7 into r square, 7 into 7. Now we divide 7 into 7, 7 by 7 by 7 table. We get 22 into 7 equal to 154 meter square. This is the area of the floor. Then cost of cementing per 1 meter square is equal to rupees 18. This amount is given. Then cost of cementing 154 meter square. This is the area of cementing floor equal to 154 into 18. We multiplied these two numbers. We get rupees 2772. This is the amount for cost of cementing the floor. Thank you, students.